Why is this Python expression parameter is not expanded at call time? In Google App Engine NDB there are queries like this. How come the account.userid equals 40 expression is not expanded at call time to true or false before passed as an argument? How is the filter expression passed to the query? Is it done with operator overloading?
Ignacio is correct. The NDB code is defining custom magic methods on its property class for comparison checking. These functions, _EQ_, _me_, _LT_, etc., are all calling this custom comparison function under the hood. As you can see, the code doesn't return a Boolean result, it returns an instance of filter node which itself evaluates to a truthy/falsy value appropriately for the comparison. How come the account.userid greater than equals 40 expression is not expanded at call time to true or false before passed as an argument? It technically is getting expanded/evaluated before the query function is called. It just isn't evaluating to a Boolean value.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.